Hey folks, it's your radar right now, and it is very, very quiet across the area as it was all weekend long, and will be for a few more hours. But by tomorrow, we're going to see some colors lighting this up. Pretty good chance of rain. Let's watch Future Track high resolution model. Let's watch what it says overnight. Clouds start to thicken up late tonight, and by the time you get to 7 a.m., we're starting to see some showers break out. It's mostly light stuff early, but the moisture continues to increase as the day goes on. Then you see scattered showers by about 11 a.m., and then everybody fair game for some rain by the time we get to the afternoon. And it could be briefly heavy. I think most rainfall totals are under an inch. There could be an isolated total of a little bit more than that. It's not a major flooding issue, but it could be the kind of thing that causes temporary flooding of streets and low-lying areas, just temporarily. It's not a big rain event, but it's probably going to rain on and off much of the day and even into the evening. Showers are going to be spotty around the valley, but I think everybody gets rained on at some point tomorrow. It's one of those kind of days, and it kind of comes and goes. But I think during the evening, if it's not raining where you are, it'll look like it ought to be. Into the nighttime hours, early Wednesday morning, what's left is near the coast early Wednesday, and by Wednesday afternoon, I think the clouds begin to break and we get back to some sunshine by Wednesday afternoon, and then we bounce back to dry weather after that. 70% chance of rain tomorrow, 20% on Wednesday, mainly early, mainly near the coast, and then Thursday we should be dry. Here's a look at current temperatures across the valley. We're at 82 right now, Weslaco, 86 in McAllen, 92 in Rio at this hour, 82 in Port Isabella as well. Look at our lows tonight. Yesterday we were 40 to start the day. Tomorrow morning we'll be close to 70, in fact over 70 at the beach, and then tomorrow's highs back in the low 80s, but keep in mind, if you get rained on, your temperatures will stay in the 70s, so much of the day will be spent in the 70s, even with a high of 81. You hit that and you go back down. 80 on Wednesday, then look at Thursday, back to 90, almost to record highs. We're going to stay in the 90s for a while after that. Look at the rest of Texas. There is a front on the move. Behind it, temperatures 40s, 50s, 60s. Ahead of it, 70s, 80s, even a couple of places in the 90s. That front will die as it gets to the valley, but close enough to help trigger those showers. That, combined with an upper air disturbance, will keep that shower threat around, again, through early Wednesday, but by Wednesday afternoon, it's gone. We begin to dry out, and I think we see sunshine from Thursday all the way through the weekend, and with that, the warm temperatures build right back in. So tonight, 67 for a low. Clouds begin to increase overnight, very mild southeasterly winds. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy with showers and an isolated thunderstorm. Won't be widespread storms, but there will be widespread rain. A high tomorrow of about 81. 81 and 80 the next 2 days. Thursday, though, 90, 91, 92. Sunday, that's the day you set the clock back an hour. Finally, right? We're about 2 o'clock in the morning. You set your clock back Saturday night, Sunday morning. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.